Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME 14x and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on it. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings option. In it, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter connect pin to your parental controls, and there we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included, underrated, control by coded, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!